What's going on, everybody? As you can see by the title, took delivery of a 2023 Tesla Model 3 Performance. Took delivery of this car in Glen Allen, Virginia. It sits right outside of Richmond, Virginia. That ended up being a 4.5 hour trip for me there, 4.5 trip back. 10 total hours of driving to get this car. Planning on doing a whole lot more recording. Once I got there, I was just like, okay, my brain capacity is gone from driving. Now I got 4.5 hours back home to get this car back in one piece. I'm just trying to hurry up, get back on the road. Shout out to Tesla. I was literally in the dealership 10 minutes before I had my key card, just walking out, to leave with the car. So it's a very quick experience. The lot was packed, but I was the only one there for delivery. I got there about 30 minutes early. There's actually a lot of Teslas, believe it or not, with cards in the front window saying take home today, brand new Teslas. So if you're in the market for a Tesla, it won't hurt to go visit a dealership. What you won't literally might be sitting there on the lot. I didn't get a lot of footage, but I did get some footage. So we'll go ahead and get into the footage that I did get.
Hands in the fire, face in the dust. The light up ahead feels harder to trust.
Delivery day is up on us.
Finally.
Tiffany,
After how many days?
What is delivery day?
For the Tesla?
44 days in, I ordered it. Of course, somebody rocked on my ass as usual, like this whole rest of this trip when we get over. So I ordered the 2023 Tesla Model 3 Performance on October 2nd, 2022. It is now November 16th, 2023.
What are you doing?
Yeah, hopefully we make it in one piece to get it. I was about to cuss.
You've already cussed.
Yeah, so we're about 3 hours in a 4.5 hour trip. We're coming from Bristol, Virginia to Glen Allen, Virginia, which is right outside of Richmond. 2023 Kia K5 is our taxi for the day, aka Tiffany's.
Taxi?
AKA Tiffany's car.
You're making it sound like it's a rental.
It's been doing a great job because it's got a little bit of driving assist, which is pretty much full, just like autopilot is.
Yeah, literally not even having to drive until somebody gets right behind you and you have to actually stop it and stuff.
Yeah, so I was excited about autopilot, but this right here is basically the same.
Yeah.
You just don't see all the cars and the traffic on the screen and stuff.
Yeah, it's pretty much the same thing though.
Got the red interior, we're coming down the style.
Yeah. Your huge camera bag taking up the back seat.
Yeah. So we got about an hour and 7 minutes left. We'll get the Tesla. That'll put us there about 45 minutes early. That'll put us there at 1:15. The appointment's at 2.
We can walk around though when we get there.
Yeah. Check out.
You might see it in the parking lot somewhere.
Yep. See what everybody else got.
Yeah.
Or if my phone connects to my car, I'm just going to hop in and take off.
Okay. Well, you've already signed everything.
I think we done signed everything besides just accepting it on the app.
Yeah.
Look at that over there.
Is that overlook?
Yeah. Show them the view we're looking at right now.
I wonder if you can see. Probably not. It's probably on me or something.
Yeah.
I guess we'll check on when we get there, right?
So we'll check in when we get there, see what we see.
Yeah. All right, Terrell, you find yours?
I did. What do you think about it?
This is the one right here?
Yeah, we're about 30 minutes early.
It's a pretty car.
It's clean, ain't it?
Mm-hmm.
What do you think about it?
I'd rather be early than late, though. It's pretty. I want my keys to hit the... Huh?
Just kidding. Somebody stupid.
Was it not nothing?
It's clean, ain't it?
You can't see the inside much on here, though.
Yeah.
I like that Model Y.
Already got it tagged up, ready to go.
Yep. Terrell, we finally got the car.
Yeah, now see if I can navigate back home in one piece.
Another 4.5 hour drive. It's too dark.
Oh, you saying I'm black? Yeah, finally got the car. 45-day wait. Looking back, it was actually very quick. I know some people's really going through the wait right now. Trust me, but just hanging there to be well worth it. And the Tesla experience is quick. They'll have you in and out very quick.
Yeah, we were there like 30 minutes before the appointment time.
Shout out to Tesla. Glen Allen, Virginia. Go ahead and get a little clip up behind us.
Yeah, we were there, what, 30 minutes before the appointment time? And then in and out. Yeah, so what?
Shout out to Tiffany for letting me use her car. Come all the way to Glen Allen, Virginia.
I wouldn't, you're talking about
even though I had to drive it the whole entire way, but yeah, I still
because
thanks
I'm
for the
working on
car.
my laptop, yeah.
Now let's see if I can get this back home in one piece. Tesla over there had to come through by the parking lot beside of it, you know, make sure everything's looking good without employees just standing there like, you need help, sir?
You could just Ubered here and spent like
Only like
$1,000.
It's been more than the down payment on this car. First charge. We are out here in Lexington, Virginia. As you can see, every supercharger here is filled up, so it's charging kind of slow right now. I didn't have any problems. Of course, I had 40-some days to watch countless YouTube videos, pretty much see, you know, what I'm gonna be doing when this day comes. So I'll be glad whenever I get home and I could chill. 'Cause the way there and the way back, I think that puts me at a total of 10 hours driving for the day. So I think I got about, I don't know, probably 3 hours left of driving after this first charge. Then I should have one more quick charge pretty close to home and, you know, pretty much be back. Kind of sad, she's already grown up. Already got 129 miles on her. I had 5 miles whenever I drove off the lot, so I actually hate to see that number. Second and final charge of the night. Currently in Whitfield, Virginia. Yeah, as you've seen, like I said, I didn't get a lot of footage, but I did get some. So now I will go ahead and give y'all a B-roll sequence of this car. We'll see what the outside looks like. As you see, it's a beautiful car. Everything was perfect. I didn't have any problems. I'm very happy with it. The wait was worth it. My wait ended up being 45 days for the performance. You know, if you get any of the other two, your wait might be a little bit longer, but it makes sense. The performance is the fastest wait because it's the most expensive one, which also means it's going to be the least ordered. 45 days killed me. For the people waiting longer than that, I truly feel for you. First 24 hours of having this car, I've already got several acceleration reactions. A little preview of that.
Stop! Oh my god!
Holy shit. Wow.
I feel like I could puke.
Good God, man. That is unreal.
Mama, you ruined our food.
What the heck is that crud?
Like at one point, you know what she said?
What?
She said, I feel like crying.
Me too.
That's unbelievable, man.
So now, how is that experience
Jesus
compared
Christ.
to how your eyes is watered?
That was so scary.
So if that's my first 24 hours of reactions, literally the first 24 hours of having this car, you could probably imagine what's coming next. So definitely make sure you subscribe. If you live in the Bristol, Virginia, Bristol, Tennessee area, or you could drive to this area, hit me up in the comments. Send me a DM on Instagram, and we could go for a little ride along and record some content. Yeah, there's a lot of Tesla content coming soon, especially with this car. I'm gonna dive really deep into it. So yeah, if you're a fan of Tesla, if you're a fan of acceleration reactions, funny videos, trust me, I got a lot coming. So make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Next video is gonna be some reactions, but there's a whole lot more coming soon. All right, I'll catch y'all on the next one.